In this video, let me show you how to connect your HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E to your Wi-Fi network to be able to print and scan using a computer or smartphone connected to the same Wi-Fi. So first of all, make sure it's turned on. Let's go on the screen over here. In this menu, okay, you can go left and right, but we're going to click on the first option, the menu option. Then you're going to go down, and one of the options should be settings. Select network, select Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on, and you're going to see Wi-Fi setup wizard. Press on start. It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks currently around the printer, so be patient. And you're going to get a list. In this list, you can go up and down, select your Wi-Fi network that you wish to connect to. Then tap over here and enter your password on this keyboard. Press OK, press submit, press OK again, and the connection will start. It usually takes less than 10 seconds. At the end, you're going to get a green check mark and the message connection successful. You can press OK, the home button. And this is about it. Next step is to take your phone or your computer and connect to the printer. I'll make separate videos on how you can do it. So check my channel, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.